Let's look at the daily here. Looks like it may want this area. 2465. And short some here. Shorting more. It's looking good. So 24, 25. The range is big on this one. It's gonna hurt. Thousand shares over 24, 28. Oh, EW actually is going already. I'm gonna have 500 shares in this one as well. I'm gonna have my stop. Arbitrary 91.88. I'm gonna do 350 shares because it's so crazy. Okay, let this one do its thing. Okay. Shorting some more here. I want it to go, so 24.16. The spreads on this is killing me. 24.22. 800 shares out of my 1,000. This thing needs to go. Uh-oh. It's not going. This one's gonna hurt a bit. Whew. Okay, I like that rejection there. Please continue to reject.
HLNE indicating 1750 on 820,000.
Looking good on fives. Oops. So it needs to go under 24. That's the problem here. I'm gonna change my stop here. Come on. Switch it up level 2. Uh-oh. The pain. Here comes the pain. Uh-oh. Look at SPY here. It's too early in the morning to lose so much money.
HSY, Hershey CEO said expect to increase adjusted gross margin to more than 46% in 2019 and from 45.6% in 2016. That's what they'll say the AP.
EW's not doing well either. EW's falling. This one's consolidated, looks like it's curling back up. So gonna have another 1,500 there. Gonna put another 500 shares over 230, 228, 24.28. I mean.
ExxonMobil CEO said very excited about future potential in offshore Guyana. He says considering adding trains to Papua New Guinea with the fine natural gas project at ExxonMobil. HLE indicating
Is that at the daily again? Yeah. It probably wants 24.61 later. I should take it very soon. If it breaks underneath, it actually did, but the spreads. Did it trigger on 5s? Yes, it did. Triggered on 5s there. It just needs to stay underneath. There we go. So 23.83 would be nice. Maybe down to here would make my day. It's just too tricky, this one. Okay, just reset. I may have missed my... this thing. I'm gonna take it when I can. Watching level 2 here. I'll break down this 10. So tricky.
Win.
Looking good on level 2. Taking it. That was just too much. Too much work. Holy shit. Almost ruined my day. Just for $200. Okay.
We have that 10:30. Food inventories plus 3.079 million.
91.
Distillates minus 611,000.
89.
1.789 million expected. That's coming up in about 2 minutes at 10:30.
It's consolidated here. So we just kind of want this one to work itself out. I think it has something to do with the fact that it just touched the 20, the blue line right here, the 20 SMA at 91.82. And so it touched it, and now it's rethinking its move. So I'm going to have to keep it underneath my stop, underneath the 20 of 91.82. It's not ideal. It's going to have to be a full stop. So let's go ahead and separate this up, since it'll be a little too painful. I have 500 shares, so I'm going to do 250 here at 91.88 and another 250 at 91.80. A few cents below low a day.
HLNE, chemical name indicating 1763.
15 here.
1 million.
So it's trying to come back here. It may not come back this 15-minute candle, maybe next one. This one triggered on 5s and then it got rejected. So it needs to pass 92.40. 2s, it dojied here and now it went up, faked out, and it would be nice if it came back up. There's still some snap, not really. On the 2-minute, it already touched. So if it wanted to continue down, it can consolidate, which it's doing right now, touch, which it is right now, and come back down. And so it will get rejected. But there is still room for the 5-minute, for it to come down, consolidate, touch 92.47, and then come back down. And that is the plan for a counter trader. Oh, another beautiful thing that I just realized is that it closed the gap again. So this candle has closed this small gap here, this gap, and this gap. This is an essential candle that would make all OCD traders happy. Now, if it went all the way down here, that would be like, I don't know, the ultimate closing candle, but that's too far away. Okay, this green candle, this volume right here is good and it's bad. I'm hoping that this is a reversal. Either that or this is, now it's red. So, in my opinion, this is a good thing. This tells a lot of people that you tried to go down, but you couldn't. So let's see what happens here. Unfortunately, it's underneath. There you go. Now it's above. So to me, this is a reversal indicator, even though it's completely sloppy. I'm gonna do what everybody roasts me on, letting my losers run and my winners cut short. But you know what? Green is green, and this chart is not ideal anymore. All I'm hoping for is a little red or a little green. Not a lot of red, not a lot of green. So I wanted to break above this area right here, 92.40. Okay, watching level 2 here. Selling off. Okay, I'm up 265. I'm gonna finish my coffee. Okay, here we go. Going back to high day.
ZAYO.
Passing it up. Great. Volume's a little funny. So, I'm going to do 700. And the spreads is 3 cents. But this thing could run, so I don't want to be stuck in something that's running. So far, if I had to implement it, my stop would be 49. Okay, if it goes under here, I'm gonna short 500 if it goes underneath this area. Okay. Oh, that was late. Okay, gotta be careful now. Watching level 2 here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. That was a late entry. Ruined my average a bit. Okay, I'm up 350. Come on, let's go lower. Let that volume grow. Ooh, it's fighting really hard now. Volume is great. 5 looks good. It kind of died off right there. Okay, it's starting to look really good now. I'm taking it a little bit early. Let me take some more. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Going a little bit heavy here, but I feel like it can go. The 2 minute is already touching at 11:05 almost, but I'm looking for 11:15 maybe. Maybe up to here. Watching level 2 is a little backwards here. There we go. There we go. Still looking okay. Selling off. Okay, I'm up 670. Gotta love these 15-minute candles. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 15-minute candles. What the fuck? Did it forget to, I forgot to reset a long time ago. This could be a curl down. I think this one's ready to fade. So I'm shorting here. I'm gonna trade this one small. It kinda didn't go as far as I wanted to.
Cash return target over a 3-year period is 22.
So let's see, 46.80 maybe, or here. I don't know. This is not an ideal look here, but so far it's going. Just watching level 2 here. Let's see if it fades.
MPLX, and I think 5 today now, 38.14 getting that upgrade.
There we go. Nice. Doesn't seem like it wants to turn around yet. Okay, taking it off. Okay, I'm up 717. Okay, QEP is touching this area right here on the 15s. See that? Right here and here and here. This is the daily. This is going to be a major point of resistance. And it's going. Shorting some here. 1430. Go. Oops. Slipping back up. Let's double check this chart right here. 1435. So, oh, what the heck? Okay. So I could be in trouble here. I'm gonna have to go all out. It's a 1 cent spread. It should have went down and it didn't.
Waiting for it, maybe.
Okay, I corrected that wick. Okay. Let's take a look at it again. Maybe this one. 1437. It still has a possibility to go. So I don't want to get completely out. I'm going to take 700 shares out above 1438. This amount of volume could suggest some kind of market chatter. So I'm going to keep 300 in. It just looks too good on the 15s. So maybe 1443 is the next stop, or 1440.
Hi.
Hopefully it's 1437. If it breaks below, if it moves down, I'm going to add. It's almost at my stop. I don't want to get out just yet. 1441. I'll be fine. See if this goes down from here. No? Okay, I got stopped out partially. Next stop is 1451. Okay, now the volume's looking ideal. Okay, this thing's beasting. Okay, that volume is nice. That volume is
MCD, McDonald's indicating
ideal.
26.50
Shorting some here.
29.50.
Now my average is 37, which is the 1 minute candle. I'm gonna set 800 shares out of my 1,000 that I just added at 1445. Let's do it 1446. Let's do 700 shares. This thing will go. Okay. Anything below this area, previous 1 minute candle, is going to be an add. Ooh, still wants to go. Because of the reset, I'm going to take more out, because now it's getting a little bit more dangerous. Because it can go much farther after a reset. Okay, stop that a little bit more. This doesn't want to come back just yet. My average is still at the 1 minute. Okay. It's at 50. It's near 50. See if it does a $1/2 roll, in which case it would be at its at this candle's open 1448. Right now it's 1447. Did it go to, yeah, it went to 1448. Okay. If it wants to close this gap, it will have to go to 1466. That is far.
MCD, McDonald's 128.50 to 128.75, 12,000 shares opening soon.
Okay, Doji. Shorting 1500 here. This is it. 1449. I'm going to set at 1451.
Opens at 129.
And I'm going to have
Now 129.
1300 shares. I'm going to keep 200. No, I'm going to do 1200 shares. I'm going to move this up a bit to 55.
129, 130.
This one will hurt a little bit.
Right now.
1435 is the 2 minute. Okay. I want this to go down one more time. If it's going to do a reset, I'm going to take away 1500. It's a reset. That sucks. Okay. If it's a reset, then I'm going to have to take 1500 out, so I have only 500 shares in. I just hope it doesn't break. This volume here. So maybe it wants to go to 1457. It wants to go to 1457. I should set it at 1458 then. This closes at 1466. Still has 1 cent spreads. Okay, if it dips down, I'm taking some more. 3,500 shares at 44. Just needs to break down this level, and I'll be in some money. 53. So right now it dojied at 1453. I'm gonna set my stop at 1454 with taking all of 1,500 shares out at that area. If it goes, then I'm doing a full stop at high day. If it goes under, I'm adding 5,000 shares. Okay. So at 5,000 shares, I'll be out at 1454. Here we go. Here comes the fall. But yeah, okay. So it's hitting the 2 minute now, unfortunately. 1433 is the 5 minute, and I'm not sure, so let's see how far we can go with this. Watching level 2 here. Still looks good. I like this 29 here on the 39 cent area. Okay, buying on. Okay, I'm up 828. Showing some kala here. There we go. 5-cent spread. It could come down. 1050 is the 5-minute 9 EMA. Take a look right here. It hasn't triggered on 5s yet. Strongly ask. Now it's even stronger. I want to see this forward breakdown. This may be a dirty mover, so my stop will be a little bit high. Here's the daily. So there's news. I'm not sure what it is, but ooh, here we go. Nice little resistance here at 1090. And that's where we hit today, right here, 1090. This is a good spot. Better than I thought it was. I'm gonna add some. No. I didn't get the shares. Okay. So now my average is a little bit lower. I'm a little concerned about how long it's taking for it to move, but it looks really good on 15s. Look at that. I just flashed some profit there. And now it's back into profit. 1052 maybe? At least down to here. 1054. Looks like this thing goes on 5s. The 5-cent spread. Let me see if I can put a stop at 1084. Nope. Yeah, it's a 5-cent deal. Sorry guy, can't answer right now. Let's see it go down a little bit more. 10, not good. Let's do, since I can't put my stop ideally in between numbers, I'm going to have to put, say, let's do 1600 at high day at 1090. That would leave me with 500 shares for a run to 11. But from the looks of it, it's not going to happen. It already hit 1090. It's dojing with quite a bit of volume. 1 minute left. It looks good on the bid, so I may end up red a little bit for a while. Anticipating somewhat of a consolidation upwards and then a tank if it doesn't go now. I would like it to go now if that's okay with you, Kala. Okay, gotta break down this 60 here. 65 is weak, gotta grow this a bit. This is where level 2 is very advantageous. But of course you could fake a lot of people out, like right now. If I were in profit and I saw this, I would be out. Because this 39 suggests really strong on the bid, which means it wants to go up. The time it sells is what's actually executed. So this is just what people are saying right now. It may not go. Right here, there are more people from different places saying that Oh, there's less people at more different places saying that it wants to go down. There's only one company that wants it to go up. That's in layman terms. Trying not to be too greedy here. But the 5 minute is 10:53. Okay, it's looking better. There we go. Ah. Okay, yeah, it touched. So I may have to take some here. Taking some here. Okay, buying all. Okay. Didn't work out as planned. I'm up 10:23. Okay, buying some here. Let's see if I can not get tricked. Yeah. If it goes over this, then that would be awesome. Not sure why it's moving like this, but it's definitely not a good thing. Let's see if we can go back to 165. Gotta be careful. Shit. It's not what I wanted. Ah. Oh, that one hurt. Okay. I may have gone faked out there. Yep. I got faked out. Okay. 1625. See what? 1627. That's so unfortunate to get faked out like that. So this is what it looks like. 15s. It does have some resets here, so that does look a little dangerous. Now it's going down. Trying to take all my money. 163.60 is the bottom of this candle here. I wonder what's going on. It's getting a little thin up there. Okay, selling all. Okay, I'm up 11:35. Okay, Fang, Diamondback Energy. Oh, that's a cool ticker. Diamondback, Snake, Fangs. Okay, that's this is the 15s. Just trying to find a trend. Looks like it just broke this area right here. Daily. Does it want this? 106.12. 106.12. That's over 60 cents away. It's overextended here. 10-cent spread. Okay. Shorting. Oh, okay. Well, that's not that bad. 4-cent slip. It already touched the 2 minute. The 5 minute is 105.14. That's a good place. Yeah, I like that one. 105.14 is a good mark. Reg is hitting this area, this low line here. So it's not a very clean line, but that 80s. 68.80. And right now it's 86. It was 86. It says 2 cent spread, 60.70. Let's go with 400 shares. Why did it move down like that though? Doesn't matter. I'm taking it. Don't stop me all out. Oh, stop me all out. Okay. 70. I should have put it at 71. Okay. Oops. So I messed up a little bit there. Looks like I got stopped out. Partially stopped on Fang as well. Okay, oh, come on now. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a good look at this again. 55. It shouldn't come back up. So cover Fang at. Okay, take a look at this one. It's going back down. It's at 68. 70s are nice. Fang got stopped out again. Okay, oh fuck you then. This is the one I want. Let's try to find some volume. Choosing a stock with strange volume. Okay, it's parabolic. I'm taking 800 here. 800. And at 39, I'm going to take out 500. Over the 1 minute trigger. And I will take 400. Okay. This is the one. $260 later, I find the bottom. With 1450 shares. I need it to go just a little bit to make my money back. But this one's definitely going to go 68.88. That is my area. This is my price target. Right here. About. Let's take a look at it. Yeah. Oh, it's a little bit greedy, but I think so. Watching level 2 here. Yep. Let's go a little bit more while you're up there.
FCC votes to block stricter privacy rules from taking immediate effect.
And while you're there, you might as well go a little bit further, right? 68.91 is the 5 minute. Yep. Selling. Okay. Let's check out Fang here. Fang is being a little bastard. Okay. I know. Slipped when I took out my my stop. Okay. So I'm up 12.45. It's resetting. So I'm gonna short. Okay, shorted 500 here. I'm gonna set my stop at 1381. I see this one want to come down past 1350. Waiting for the next surge down. My stop isn't exactly ideal. It should be further away. A lot of times whenever things want to go down, it will touch the 5 and then it'll come back down. Right now it's at 89 and my stop is at 80. And if anything, it's at the 2 minute. The 2 minute has it at 81 flat. A lot of times it'll touch and come down depending on which level it chooses. So have to be a little bit careful here. Maybe I should bring it back up. I don't think so. I think it'll go down. It's not at a good level just yet for some kind of law violation. I think 1332 would be good. Maybe. There we go. It's going. Look at this number right here. See this? This is why level 2 is so important. It tells you that it's getting knocked down, and let's see if it breaks through. It's growing again. It just keeps cycling.
VRX 9, traders pointed out a previous 10K regarding a sales plus the same activation. Pointing out that the news is basically old.
You're saying it's old news.
Over a year ago.
Over a year ago.
That's VRX.
But news on news doesn't always work out. Look at this. This suggests that it still wants to go down. Okay, I'm taking it. It's taking too long. Okay, I'm up 1286. 30 minutes left, or 34 minutes left. At 150, 300 shares. When it goes over, well, it's already there. I'm buying some here. A little bit early, before the 1 minute trigger, I see this volume right here. So, under 90, well, it's 92. And the spreads are 1 minute at the moment. So I'll just give it a little bit of slip. And do 200 at the low. Okay, re-entering. I'm going to have my stop a little bit further away because the previous day's close was 72. So, I don't know, this looks like the place. I'm going to add some more. $148.49. It's the 5 minute. Very possible. Gotta go past this area here. 148.50. Can I do that? Maybe. Yep. selling all. Okay, I'm up 1508. I'm gonna call it a day. Today's Lent, and it's supposed to be fasting. So, I hope all y'all are eating for me. Have a good one, guys.